Hey, it's Tinla here, and let's see how good these dual Xeon E5-2667 v2 for gaming PC. I'm gonna compare it with the i9-9900K, overclock or core to 5 GHz. As you see on the left side, it is the dual Xeon system that has 64 GB of DDR3, 1600 ECC RAM, and on the right side, it is the core i9 system with the DDR4 3200. Both systems have exactly the same video card, GTX 1060 with 6 GB of memory. So let's find out the result and tell us what you think. There you have it for the dual Xeon CPU in gaming benchmark. As you can see, the dual Xeon E5-2667 v2 is pulling ahead with the graphics score, even though that they both have the same graphic card. The i9 really shines in the physics department. In this particular DirectX 11 gaming benchmark, there's not much of the difference between the i9-9900K and the dual Xeon E5-2667 v2. Okay, that's it for today. Before you go, don't forget to leave a comment if you like this video. I appreciate it. Goodbye and have a good one. And as always, I will see you in the next video.